Hey, what's up guys? My name is Avery Ryan and today I'm going to show you guys how to install some wheels to a scooter and some pegs to a scooter. So yeah. Excuse me real quick. So yeah, first thing you want to do is grab your wheel. I'm riding two pegs on front. I don't know if you could see that. So yeah, just get your wheel and then get your axle and yeah, get your axle and your peg. Yeah, so you just put it in, and then with the Allen key or something, try to poke it in right there. You poked in right there, and then in this side with your peg and the axle, you just push it and just try to align them together. Yeah, there. So yeah, this is not a hard part or anything. I'm gonna put your other thing and then just install it. I don't need two Allen keys or anything because I'm just riding a key with one Allen key and my hand, which is fine. So I'll just tighten it. Let me do it this side though, wait. So yeah, just tighten it and tighten it till it gets good. I like doing it evenly for some reason. I don't know. I just guess it's like better like that. So yeah, it's just been pretty good. And now for the back one, yeah, like that. I'm sorry guys, I'm just like this right now in shorts and stuff. So yeah, remove your old wheel. Now I want to make sure these wheel they don't waste or anything, but I had another pair of these, well not like 110 millimeter, and then I used it so much, look how it turned, like literally, look. So yeah, so I'm just gonna put these new ones on. Let me see if you can see that. Oh, you can't, but you just remove your axle right there with the Allen key, which I'm gonna do right now. Please wait. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm so sorry for the angle, guys. Like there. And it should come pretty easy. It should come pretty fast and easy. So yeah. I am removing these. So yeah. And also, well, these comes out. I don't like riding pegs and back for some reason. I don't know. And what the heck is this? No wonder my wheel was slow. So yeah. And take, if you're riding this type of scooter, I'm riding a Razor Pro Triple X scooter. Oh, well, this thing is dirty. Sorry. You may want your fender brake. This is your deck with no brake and your fender brake. So what you gotta do, clean your brake, and then you just put it on, and then you snap it, and it will come very quick. Like you just put it on, and it falls. So another good thing you could do, you could put your wheel and your Allen key, grab it. Oh wait, sorry. If you are riding these type of fender brakes, you will need these right there. But I don't know where to put the other one, so let me try to. I don't know where to put it, but oh, here it is. Yeah. So you grab your other one. You're supposed to have two of them right here. So yeah, you put them towards like this, facing that way, because you don't want it like this way, you just want it that way. So put one there and another one here. Then you put your wheel. I read 110mm wheel, but it's the same exact it's the same thing if you're riding 100 or whatever type of wheel you want. Just wiggle it in and see if you could stick it in. Use a little tap there. And then please wait, guys, real quick. So yeah, I'm trying to align that thing inside there. I don't know if you could, like, there. It's not aligned for some reason. So yeah, just try to align it how much you can. There we go. Now you can see there's nothing there. So yeah, just put it in. Try to do the same process you had before. Get your eggshell. Put it in, and then just slide it on, right, and then we'll go right through fast. So I just put that one there, and then for these you're only gonna need one Allen key, and you just grab it. Wait, it's kind of far. Yeah, there. You grab it with this side there, and then wait. And then with the other side, you just grab it with your finger. Which, yeah, you don't actually need two Allen keys. You just need a finger and one of them. And let it drop. Pick it up. I'm sorry for that, guys. You don't have to do that though. So yeah, just keep on tightening it until like you don't wanna like do it so much so it like breaks or something. So yeah, these are my old wheels. They were 100mm. No, I'm sorry. They were 100, but now they're probably like 55, I guess. I'm not sure. Nah, but so yeah, these are. So thanks guys for watching. This is how to install pegs on the scooter and wheels too, front and back. So yeah, it basically the same thing. It's just that I don't know. Can't tell the difference. So yeah, sorry my TV is hanging out. But yeah, be tuned to the scooter check I am gonna have soon. So yeah, hit like and subscribe somewhere down there. Okay, it's right here. And to subscribe somewhere here. Right here. Well, it is hard to find a place, so yeah. And check my Nike skating shoes, a review and other stuff for more. So yeah, hit like, comment below if you want something else, and take care. Bye.